Learning vision technique for grading of harvested mango based on maturity and quality. So here, using image processing technique, we are going to analyze what is the grade of the mango which is harvested. So input image, it will be mango image, and based on that image we are going to decide the grade of that. So MATLAB simulation we have did. So here the input image I have selected this one, then median filter I have applied, and histogram equalization, these are pre-processing. And after that I am going to apply the segmentation and then crop the mango region. Once mango region is cropped, then based on the fitness genetic algorithms, fitness value will be found, and based on that fitness value, it will going to tell me what is the grade of the mango. So mango grades are decided into three grades: grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. So this is the third grade.